Guess these 1950s classic cars. Can you get all 10 right? Think you know them all? Challenge yourself and see if you can name all 20 iconic 1950s cars. Only the most knowledgeable car enthusiasts will get a perfect score. Test your expertise in 1950s car history. This classic 1950s car, known for its stylish tail fins and powerful V8 engine, became synonymous with American luxury and innovation. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Bel Air, Cadillac Eldorado. C. Ford Thunderbird. D. Buick Roadmaster. Correct answer, B. A Cadillac Eldorado. This 1950s model was one of the first mass-produced cars to feature a hardtop design without a center pillar, giving it a sleek and modern look. What car is it? A. Chrysler 300C. B. Dodge Coronet. E. Chevrolet Corvette. D. Ford Skyliner. Correct answer, D. Ford Skyliner. This 1950s car from Chevrolet became a symbol of American automotive culture, with its stylish fins and chrome details making it instantly recognizable. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Impala. B. Chevrolet Bel Air. Chevrolet Corvette. D. Chevrolet Nomad. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Bel Air. This luxury car from Lincoln became famous for its smooth ride and futuristic design, often seen in movies and television shows from the 1950s. What car is it? A. Lincoln Continental. B. Lincoln Zephyr. Lincoln Premier. D. Lincoln Capri. Correct answer, A. Lincoln Continental. This iconic 1950s sports car, known for its sleek body and powerful engine, is often considered one of the best American sports cars of its time. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang. B. Chevrolet Corvette. C. Dodge Viper. D. Pontiac GTO. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Corvette. This classic 1950s Chrysler model, with its bold design and luxury features, was one of the most popular luxury sedans of its time. What car is it? A. Chrysler 300C. B. Chrysler New Yorker. Chrysler Imperial. D. Chrysler Windsor. Correct answer, C. Chrysler Imperial. This iconic 1950s car was introduced by Ford and became famous for its stylish convertible top and powerful V8 engine. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang. B. Ford Thunderbird. C. Ford Fairlane. D. Ford Crown Victoria. Correct answer, B, Ford Thunderbird. This classic 1950s model from Buick is known for its bold front grille and powerful engine options, making it a favorite among luxury car buyers. What car is it? A, Buick Skylark, B, Buick Roadmaster, Buick Century, D, Buick Special. Correct answer, B, Buick Roadmaster. This 1950s model from Dodge featured a distinctive tail fin design and a powerful engine, making it a popular choice for those seeking performance and style. What car is it? A, Dodge Polara, B, Dodge Charger, Dodge Royal, Dodge Dart. Correct answer, Dodge Royal. This classic 1950s car from Pontiac was known for its sleek design and powerful engines, becoming one of the most stylish and sought-after cars of the era. What car is it? A, Pontiac Bonneville, B, Pontiac GTO, C, Pontiac Chieftain, D, Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, C, Pontiac Chieftain.